Today we're going to talk about avoiding the noise, tips for distraction-free creative writing. Creative writing requires focus, but distractions are everywhere. Notifications, mental clutter, or the chaos of a busy environment. To write productively, you must create a distraction-free space where ideas can flow. For some, like those with schizophrenia, managing both external and internal noise is even more critical. Here's how to establish a distraction-free writing routine and explore tools that can improve your focus. Curate your environment. A cluttered space often leads to an untidy mind. Choose a quiet, minimalist writing spot, whether it's a dedicated desk or a cozy corner. For writers with schizophrenia, sensory overload can increase distractions, so consider using noise-canceling headphones or soft background music to block out disruptive sounds. Keep only essential tools nearby: a notebook, a pen, or a laptop. Silence digital noise. Phones and social media are the biggest enemies of creativity. Turn off notifications or use apps like Freedom or Cold Turkey to block distracting websites. Switch your device to Do Not Disturb mode for focused writing. When researching, save links for later with tools like Pocket to avoid getting lost in internet rabbit holes. Manage internal distractions. Internal noise, racing thoughts, self-doubt, or for some, symptoms of schizophrenia like intrusive voices, can derail focus. Consider mindfulness techniques such as 5-minute meditation sessions before writing to help ground yourself. Journaling stray thoughts can also clear mental clutter, creating space for creativity. Set clear intentions. Before you begin, establish a clear goal for your session, whether it's a word count, a scene, or a brainstorming session. This clarity helps maintain your focus. For writers dealing with schizophrenia, breaking tasks into smaller, manageable parts can make productive writing feel less overwhelming. Utilize timers. Utilize timers such as the Pomodoro technique to sustain your momentum without burning out. The Pomodoro technique is a time management method that divides your work into 25-minute intervals, known as Pomodoros, followed by short 5-minute breaks. After completing 4 Pomodoros, you take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. This approach aims to enhance focus and prevent burnout by alternating between intense work and brief rest periods. There is a Wikipedia page on the Pomodoro technique. Leverage writing products to help you focus. The right tools can transform your writing experience. Here are some products to help you remain focused. Scrivener is powerful writing software that helps organize projects and minimizes distractions with a full screen mode. I use this software to write my book, 3 Kidnapped, 3 Siblings, 3 Furies. Focus at Will, a music service designed to enhance concentration with scientifically curated tracks. OnWriter, a minimalist writing app featuring calming visuals and sounds to foster a distraction-free environment. I will give web links to all of the above in the episode description. Noise-canceling headphones. Brands like Bose and Sony effectively block external noise, making them ideal for writers in busy households or those with schizophrenia who need a calm environment. I use the AirPods Max. Establish a routine. Consistency fosters focus. Write at the same time every day to train your brain for creativity. I have emphasized this point in previous podcast episodes and on my blog. Even brief, regular sessions can lead to productive writing. For those managing schizophrenia, a predictable routine can also provide stability, making it easier to manage symptoms and stay on track. Embrace imperfection. Perfectionism is a hidden distraction. Allow yourself to write messy first drafts. The goal is progress, not perfection. This mindset frees you from self-imposed pressure, enabling creativity to flourish. Some final thoughts. Establish a distraction-free writing routine requires effort, but the rewards are worth it. You can have productive writing sessions by organizing your space, minimizing digital and external distractions, and utilizing writing tools to help you maintain focus. For those like me who write with schizophrenia, these strategies can be adjusted to meet unique challenges, ensuring their voice remains clear despite the noise. Embrace the process and allow your creativity to flourish. Thank you for listening or watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, sign up for notifications for this podcast, and like my videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.